Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be doing some work on the Honda Civic. I'm going to be installing these new, not a head stud, wheel stud, look like, because the other one snapped off, and I'm going to be installing these. Don't know if it's focusing right. There we go. Pretty nice, they look like little bullets. And you have these little caps on, which I'll show you later. I'm not sure which company this is by. I just bought something real quick. I think it was on Amazon. But yeah, so let's go to the Honda and start taking it apart. Alright, so you can see the stud's completely broken off. So what I'm going to do now is crack these loose while the car's down so it doesn't spin while I'm trying to turn it. And then I'm going to jack it up. So after I do all that, we'll start from there. Alright, so to take off the caliper, it's a 17mm, 2 bolts in the back, one on the top, and then one right here in the bottom. So just crack those 2 off and you'll be able to pull the whole caliper off. Alright. Now once you got both of the bolts off, about this long, now what you're going to do is, you just pull the caliper off. You're going to want to use something to hold this with, because you don't want to rip this line. Alright, so now I think we're going to have to take off this Phillips right here. I'm going to have to get a smaller one. So take off this Phillips, that way you can pull this off, pull your rotor. Alright you guys, so I've been trying to get this screw off now for like ever. Doesn't want to come off, it's really on there. So I actually went out and bought a impact screwdriver from Harbor Freight. It was like $9. So what this does, I'll show you. One sec, trying to open this box. Oh god, everything's falling out. So you want to find a bit that's gonna fit in there. So let me try this one. Okay, yeah, this one grabs it pretty good. So you're gonna grab that impact gun. Let me put this up. My dogs are all chilling out here today and they're wanting to watch. Say hi. It's pretty hot out here right now. Look out, boy. Alright. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna grab a hammer. Bit in, put it on there, turn it towards the way you want to take it off, and then just start whacking it, and it should come loose. Oh, hell yes. So as you can see, let me zoom in on that. Alright, check it out. This actually worked. Holy cow. Awesome. I was about to drill this out. So now we got to get this one on the bottom. As you can see, it's pretty dull looking. And I'm not even going to try fighting it, so I'm going to try this right away. What you do is you put it on there and then turn it towards where you want it to turn. So if you turn it left, it's going to go left when you hit it. You turn it right and you hit it, it's going to go right. So pushing it to the left, you're going to just smack it a couple times. Bam. Alright, so this one's going to put on the fight. So same thing, put it on, turn it where you want it. Got it. Awesome. So I highly recommend this. It's from Harbor Freight, $9. It worked pretty good because this was getting stripped from trying to use this, and then I tried using a Phillips, even Phillips that actually fit in here. There was no way I was getting it out. They were pretty seized in there. So now you want to take off the rotor, and there's the bolt exposed. Awesome. Alright, make sure you don't lose these bolts either. I already lost the other one somewhere. There it is. Alright, so now we're going to have to whack that stud out. So as you can see right here, that stud. You want to whack that out. Got it. So once it's like that, just put a screwdriver. Aye. Oh, my bad, boy. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Thank you. So, here's that old stud. Let me make this focus on my hand, or not. There you go. Oh. There. Okay, so that was the broken stud. Let me go grab the new one. So, just in case anyone's wondering, it's a Dorman. Let's see if I can get the... Hold on, let me turn my camera around. So, there we go. There. I think that's the part number 984361. It's an M12 by 150. That's the specs of it. So that's how long the bolt's supposed to be, and that's how long mine was. So yeah, snapped off right at the threads. So not pretty sight. Oh my god, my dog's running through the camera. So yeah. That's how you get the stud out. So now I'm praying that I can fit it through here. Alright, cool. That's nice. Now I gotta somehow whack this back in. Oh wow. Okay. And that's, I guess, how you do it. So now I'm going to put a nut on here. I'm going to tighten it all the way down so I can try to pull it through more. If you have an air hammer, this is a perfect time to use it. Damn, I kind of want to replace all of them now. They're only $1. So I'm going to finish pulling this through with the stud, and then we just got to put everything back on, and I'm going to be putting on the new wheel nuts and everything. Stay tuned. Alright, so now you want to put your caliper back on. I already pulled the nut all the way through. What I did is I took two nuts, basically two big bolts. I had another socket that was half inch, was bigger than this, so it fit right over, and then basically you just tighten down the nut and it'll pull the bolt through. There. Now we're putting the calipers back on. It's going to be fun trying to put the brakes on too. There you go, got it. As long as you never press the brakes, you should be alright, so be careful. I can put these screws back in now. What you doing, boy? Go lay down. Wow, I was putting it in the wrong one. Tighten those back down. Might want to put some NSCs on here so it doesn't get stuck for the next time. Alright, that's on there good. So yeah, definitely recommend this. This thing saved me. Now we're going to put this back on. So I'm going to tighten these bolts down real quick, and then we'll get back to it. Alright, so now I'm going to be putting on these. First I'm going to put on the wheel. I'm going to clean up the wheels later. I'm going to polish them and everything. Also going to clean these up a bit because they look a little faded. So yeah, I'm going to just put the wheels on. I am going to polish them, so Right now it's gonna look a little dirty. So this is what the wheels look like right now. It doesn't look really glossy like it used to. It used to be really shiny like a mirror, and now not so much. But I'm gonna show you guys in a later video how to polish them. I do want to get the car tuned first, so that'll be my next step. Well, first I gotta get my tags back on it. Alright. These also come with washers inside them. They're just going to go like that. And just screw them on. Wow, that looks kind of cool. Hell yeah. And once I polish these wheels, it's gonna look a lot nicer too. It's gonna like reflect. It's kind of reflecting now, but I'm sure it's gonna look better when I'm done with it. As you can see, there's still some paint on it left. But yeah, looks pretty nice. Well, that's how you replace a stud, guys. I'm gonna finish up doing the whole car with this, and then I'll take some photos and stuff and show you a walk around when they're all done. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's the wheels on. Looks pretty good. Not bad. They stick out pretty good too. Nice. Picture of that. Here's further away. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. I'll be making more in the future. Thank you. Stay tuned.